too much and then I had a little more.
I love this part of the world, the northern rivers in New South Wales, very most northern point of the state, just before the Queensland border. Famous for its mountains, famous for its bushland retreats, and of course the beautiful beaches. And you might find the odd millionaire, billionaire, gazillionaire hiding out here too with their holiday houses, and of course melting away into their glistening swimming pools. Now I know for a fact that many of the houses around here, they do have swimming pools, but not chlorine, not salt, but mineral swimming pools. And why? Well, the health benefits for starters. I mean, imagine relaxing into your own magnesium-based mineral pool around here. But you don't need $1 million pool to be able to have a mineral pool. In actual fact, you can retrofit minerals into almost any swimming pool. And this pool I'm about to show you, well, wow. It is a mineral pool and it is the best of the best. Gavin, hey mate, how are you?
Good, Walt.
Good to see you again. You're from Dynamic Pools, and I know that you like to show off a couple of your locations here and everywhere, but this has to be the most spectacular place we've ever met.
Amazing, isn't it?
It's so beautiful. Tell me about this pool.
Yeah, so we've got the ocean over here and the mountains in the background. And the brief was we need to make that the star out there, and create a pool that really emulates that.
We are outshone by 1,000 to 1 with that view, aren't we? It's a gorgeous pool, and it's all very kind of rocky outcrop up here as well. Were there some challenges with putting the pool into the rock, essentially?
Absolutely, yeah, exactly that. This whole top of the mountain is a hard rock, so we had to excavate that out. And where that spillover drops off, we're about 3.5, 4 metres drop down there. So the footings and the structural components that allows this pool to creep out over the mountain was pretty intense.
What profile of water have we got in there?
So in here, to match the area we're in, we've got Mineral Swim, which combines magnesium mineral-rich water from the Dead Sea, some of the highest concentration of minerals in the world, and coupled that with ozone purification, which allows us to bring the chlorine levels down, so it's a beautiful swimming experience.
And that's the thing, isn't it, with a mineral pool, is you can't just go and put sacks of minerals in your pool and it becomes a mineral pool. You have to actually have the piece of technology that converts that sanitisation part.
Absolutely.
Is it 1 part per million or something of chlorine, around that?
Around that, yeah. So we're traditionally, you're around that 2 to 3 parts per million, so we're able to pull that down a little bit, and the ozone purification behind it allows us to do that.
So essentially, if you can go and buy the ozone unit and get that plumbed in, and then I guess do some minor adaptations to your plumbing, can you just put a retrofit a mineral pool anywhere? Absolutely,
yeah, Mineral Swim, and it's actually the beauty of the product. It can go into any pool with minor plumbing rectification.
That's a good idea, isn't it? And it's from Matronics, one of our most amazing pool suppliers in Australia. But they've just done something so beautiful to the water when you swim in it. Describe the feeling to us.
Yeah, well, the best way is it's just soft. It's actually really nice to be in, so silky smooth. And one of the best ways to actually take magnesium into your body is through absorption through your skin.
Transdermal absorption.
That's it.
That's a big learn I learn on the show.
So bathing in this pool for extended periods of time allows you to absorb those amazing minerals. Like I said, from the Dead Sea. It's the only company that actually has those true minerals.
So there's potentially health benefits then too, because I mean, people take magnesium supplements, people rub magnesium cream on their sore joints and things. You must have the best night's sleep ever after a swim in here.
That's it. Super relaxing and great for muscle tension and joints and all that. Yeah.
Is there any more tricky maintenance involved with a mineral pool? Do you get more algae spots, or do you get like salt build up anywhere? Like how does it compare?
No, very similar to a standard saltwater pool. So you test it very similar. There's a few minor changes, but from an ongoing maintenance, no different to a saltwater pool.
You don't just have to have an amazing award-winning pool like this to have the luxury of having minerals in. You can put them in just about any backyard pool. You just need the right equipment and of course the minerals. And Mineral Swim from Matronics, it's so beautiful to swim in and it just makes you feel so amazing afterwards. If you want to find out all the details, including where to buy it and how you could get it installed at your place, jump on their website. It's all at matronics.com.au.